Hi, my name is Federico Tozzi, Executive Director of the Italy-America Chamber of Commerce. I'm here with Jackie Rothong from the Middleby Residential, brand manager, brand ambassador of Viking. So thank you, Jackie, for being here. Today we are making a different cocktail with our friends from Mionetto.
I'm so excited.
If you remember last time, we made a spritz, right?
Yes.
So this time we're going to make something a little different. I'm pretty sure that you are familiar with Negronis.
Yes, I am.
So, and you know that in Negroni there are basically three ingredients. Campari, which is another great Italian product. A vermouth, in this case we are using a very good one. This is called the Carpano Antica Formula. This is a very, very good product. And of course you use gin. But there was a time when a bartender in Italy, was so in a hurry that he made a mistake. And instead of putting gin, he put actually Prosecco. So
that's a big mistake.
And that cocktail was called Negroni Sbagliato. Sbagliato in Italian means mistaken. So it's an error. So he made a mistake. So this is what we're going to do. Also, another thing that you remember probably from last time was the fact that we were not measuring proportion last time.
We were not, no.
So this time, it's very important. Because vermouth might be very, very sweet. Campari is a little bitter. So this time we're not gonna take any chance. We're gonna use a measure.
Is vermouth normally in a Negroni?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it is.
All
okay,
the time.
All the time.
We have different type of Negronis, and maybe next time we're gonna go through it.
Okay.
We have like one of my favorite. It's called the Boulevardier, in which you basically substitute gin with the bourbon.
Okay.
So and it's gonna be a little different. So let's start with this vermouth. So we need 3 equal parts of vermouth, Campari, and then of course the Mionetto Prosecco.
I have to say, I just love happy accidents when those happen.
Yeah, so
that is the best because it creates the most delicious things.
I mean, this is interesting because compared to the regular Negroni, this is much lighter. So if people don't like particularly a very heavy drink,
that's me.
Yeah.
So this is going to be my drink. I think
yes,
it's going to be the
because
perfect
this
drink.
one is probably something that it's easy to drink. You're not going to get drunk from it. At least you don't drink so much of it.
Well, if I drink enough of them, that will happen. And that's it.
And that's it. Now you just have to stir. We already have this beautiful straws, and this is for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm gonna make one myself.
Yeah, you need to make one.
Yeah. So, cheers.
Cheers. Wow, that's really good.
This initiative is brought to you by the Italian Ministry of Foreign Affairs.